A day's life, seeing the deathless, is greater than 100 years without it. Dhammapad 114. A single day's life of wise person who sees the state of deathlessness, reality, is far greater and nobler than even the 100 years of lifespan of an individual who does not perceive the deathlessness state. Though one should live 100 years not seeing the deathless state, yet better is life for a single day seeing deathlessness. Dhammapad 114. Yosa basasatang jibe apasang amatang padang ekahang jibitang seo pasyato amatang padang. Dhammapad 114.